Okay, so I have problem number 3 from the quiz that we did today and for this weekend. So it's going to help you a little bit. So we have evaluate the expression for the given variables. So I have negative a squared minus 2a minus 7b plus b, 4, a equals negative 2 and b equals 2, 3. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute. For example, I have negative a to the second power. Okay, I drop the negative, and I know that a is negative 2. Because that number is negative, I'm going to open parentheses, negative 2 to the second power, minus, parentheses, 2, a. What is the value of a? Is negative 2. So, negative 2 minus 7 times b. b is 3. So I'm going to use this color here. Plus b. I'm going to close this parenthesis. Plus b, which is 3. Okay, let's simplify. Remember that to simplify this expression, we're going to use Pemdas. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division. And if we have the same level of operation, we start from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So in this case, let me start for this parenthesis, this negative 2 to the second power. So I have negative 2 to the second power is equals to negative 2 times negative 2. Negative and negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to put that value in parentheses. So I'm going to write another parenthesis here. So minus positive 4. Because I need to practice the multiplication of signs. Minus 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Plus 3. Okay, let me erase here. So what I have now, let's get rid of parentheses. Remember that parentheses is the first set. Negative and positive is negative. So negative 4. See how that negative here keep dragging all over the place. Just because this was not in parentheses at the beginning. So that negative keeps going down until this 4. Minus, open parentheses. Negative 4 minus 21 is the addition of two negative numbers. Remember, we just saw that one this week. Negative 4 minus 21. How can you write that one? Negative 4 plus negative 21. So it's addition of two negative numbers. Because the two numbers are negative, my solution is going to be negative, and I'm going to add the absolute value. So 4 plus 21 equals to 25. So minus 25, close parentheses, plus 3. Now, what I'm going to do, I have parentheses here, negative and negative is positive. So let me minus 4 plus 25 plus 3. And we have the same level of operation, addition and subtraction. So we start from left to right. So I'm going to do this one first. Negative 4 plus 25. Okay. Which one got a bigger absolute value? 25. It's positive. So my solution is going to be positive, and then I subtract. 25 minus 4 is 21. So 21 is positive. I don't need to write that one there. And then I have plus 3. So you drop 3, and 21 plus 3 is equals to 24. So that's equals to 24. So what were, which ones were the solutions that you have? Which options? So you have 1, 32, 2, negative 18. Then you have negative 26, and then you have 24. So in this case, you mark 24, and you will get your 3 points, which is each question value. So let me erase, and we're going to solve another one. So the next problem says, what is the simplified form of the expression and in this case I had negative 2a plus 5s, and then I had plus 10a minus 3s. So what we're going to do, I cannot add these two because this is 2a and this is 5s, so the variables are different, so I cannot do anything yet inside this parenthesis. So what I'm going to do, according to what we saw in the distributive property, we're going to write a 1 in front of the parenthesis, negative 1. I'm going to write a 1 here in front of the a too. Okay? And then I'm going to apply the distributive property, negative 1 times 2 and negative 1 times 5. Same here, 10 times 1a and 10 times negative 3x. And then apply the distributive property, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2a, negative 1 times 5 is equals to negative 5s, 10 times 1 is plus 10a, and then 10 times negative 3 is equals to negative 30s. Okay, now you can find like terms. So 2a, 10a, those are the same. And then you have negative 5s and negative 30s are also like terms. So I have negative 2 plus 10a. I'm going to do it here. Negative 2a plus 10a. Remember, you asked which one got a bigger absolute value? 10. So I have 10 minus 2 equals to a. So I have a. And then you have negative 5s minus 30s. So I have the addition of two negative numbers. So we add the absolute values. So I have 35s. And we just write the negative in front of the number. Because both are negatives, my solution is going to be negative. So minus 35s. You have four options of solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one was a minus 25s. That was the first one. 12a minus 35. Then you add 12a plus 25s. And last one was a minus 35s. So in this case, to get your 3 points, you mark that one, and it will give you the solution. If you have any question, please send me an email or write below in the comments section, and I will reply back. So you have a wonderful day.